Good, beautiful morning. It's your Ginger, out for another adventure. Believe it or not, it's actually the middle of April in northern Utah, and we woke up to this stuff.
Daddy, look, it's perfect for the fire.
Nice job. The kiddos are trying to find some dry weeds and twigs, some kindling, so we can maybe start a fire. Because it snowed in the middle of April. Crazy, right guys?
Yeah.
Pretty crazy.
I want to break down the street. Okay, stop. Does that work?
We don't break down live trees. We only want to find dead
Dead.
and down.
Like those. Like these.
There is some dead in there. Check it first.
Dead. Daddy.
You want to go put it in the fire pit, please? Okay, get more sticks and then put that in the fire pit. Good job, guys. Those aren't pine cones. Those are little seed bundles. It's fun for me to have these kiddos be still learning, experiencing all kinds of new things, right? Of course, it was RV camping, so it's not true camping. However, if you ask me, it's still a great experience being outside. That's what I'm all about. And RV camping lets us do that.
This is a great place to make snowman.
You don't have snow pants on though, just a jacket. All right, let's see it. Make one. Let's see your snowman. Your snow angel. You're just gonna crawl around. Oh, there you go. Snow angels in April, baby. Who could have thought? Snow angels in April. You're crazy.
I'm listening to some music.
You are? You got snow in your face? Oh, you're a silly goose. Do you need help up?
You need help up?
Okay. Look at that snow angel.
The big
I love it.
Listening to some music with the snow angel. 3, 2, 1, kick it!
No.
Kick it! Kick it! Kick it!
Oh boy.
It's the
We're gonna go do some more exploring. Just a quick adventure for you guys. We haven't posted in a long time.
So fun, Dad!
Sweetie got sick. We posted a video of that, of her getting tested for COVID. So, fortunately, she does not have it. Hopefully you saw that in the comments. Anyway, have you guys ever been spring camping and it snowed on you? Let us know in the comments. And if you're new, please do subscribe. We'll see you guys.